This is a fully functional and practical smart toilet with a unique square design that is not only stylish, but also features an enlarged seat. For enhanced comfort, it offers automatic lid opening when you approach and automatic flushing when you leave, along with foot sensing flushing. For added convenience, the feminine wash and posterior wash provide thorough and comfortable cleaning. The high-speed drying mode ensures quick and efficient drying for instant freshness. The infrared care mode helps safeguard your health, while the anti-splash foam shield keeps you protected. With 4 antibacterial technologies, hygiene is no longer a concern. Made from high-temperature ceramics, it resists stains and dirt effectively. The siphon-enhanced flushing delivers powerful performance, and the heated seat ensures warm and cozy comfort. The soft night light adds a gentle, eye-friendly ambience.